The pros and cons of tapping into home equity for major expenses. As seasoned debt specialists, we at Debt Detox Advisors have encountered homeowners contemplating the use of home equity to fund major expenses. While leveraging the equity in your home can be a powerful financial tool, it's crucial to understand the potential benefits and drawbacks before making such a decision. Let's explore the pros and cons so we can help you make an informed choice. Low interest rates. Home equity loans or lines of credit typically offer lower interest rates compared to other forms of borrowing, such as traditional credit cards or personal loans. This can result in significant cost savings for a borrower over the life of the loan. Flexibility of home equity funds. Home equity funds can be used for a variety of purposes, such as home improvements, debt consolidation, or a child's post-secondary education expenses. The versatility of these funds makes them a popular choice for homeowners with diverse financial needs. Quick access to a large sum of money. Depending on your home's net equity, you could have access to a substantial amount of money. This can be advantageous for funding major expenses that might otherwise be challenging to cover with other forms of credit, such as a child's university costs or a home renovation. But what are some of the negative aspects of accessing that home equity? You could risk losing your home. The primary drawback of using home equity is the risk of foreclosure if you fail to meet repayment obligations. Defaulting on a home equity loan could lead to the loss of your home, making it crucial to assess your ability to repay the borrowed funds. Accumulation of debt. Access to a significant sum of money may tempt some individuals to accumulate more debt than they can comfortably manage. It's essential to borrow responsibly and consider the impact of the debt load on your overall financial health. Market fluctuation. If you opt for a home equity line of credit, HELOC, with a variable interest rate, your payments may fluctuate with changes in the market, as we've all seen occur for many homeowners across Canada over the past year. Rising interest rates make it extremely difficult to budget effectively, especially if those rates rise unexpectedly. Closing costs and hidden loan fees. Like any loan, home equity financing often comes with associated closing costs and fees. It's crucial to factor these expenses into your decision-making process to understand the true cost of borrowing. Using home equity for major expenses can be a strategic financial move, but it's not without risks. Before proceeding, carefully weigh the pros and cons, consider your financial goals, and consult with a financial advisor to determine the most suitable option for your unique circumstances. Remember, making an informed decision will empower you to leverage your home equity wisely while safeguarding your financial well-being over the long term. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please click on subscribe and like so we can continue creating content for you. Thanks. And please visit our website at www.debtdetoxadvisors.com.